different today. The water is high tide, 11:30. Yesterday it was low tide, it was 2 o'clock. The people should not feed them, but they feed them. Konnichiwa now from Miyajima. We again here, now with high tide. Look. Now we could swim in dirty water, but it's not nice, very cloudy and rainy. Yesterday you could walk here to the houses. Now it's high tide. Sendoka Shrine. Here 5-story pagoda from 1407, 28 meters high. The shrine, and far in front of mountain you see the temple. Here a small shop, souvenir shop. I wonder if I should go with ropeway, but it's bad weather. You can go here. Deer hand muppet. Souvenir shop. I wonder if I should go with a ropeway. It's very rainy weather and cloudy.